Hi, this is Nicole, and this is my second poem. It is called Morning Rain, and I hope you all enjoy it. In disbelief at the way that you make me feel, in reality, it almost feels that this is not real. Why is it my heart the only thing that you gotta steal? But stress, love, you make it easier to deal. You're so beautiful, you make me feel, well, right. Even if you're falling in the morning or at night, dripping wet. Such a beautiful sight. I just want to stare out the window and take a flight. But guess it's time to say it's about that time of day. Sun's coming out. God knows I want it to stay. It knows how to ease the staggering pain. Maybe you'll grace me tomorrow, morning rain. Thank you for your time.